It does take, it takes time, but when you get older, time is what you want to spend with your kids and your grandkids. Have no problem at all getting help picking blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, and blackberries. They're all thornless, so they have a good time picking those, and have no problem getting good free help. Time is what it's all about. Time with your kids and your grandkids, and even my 4-year-old knows more about gardening than some 50-year-olds do. Because he's got out here and he's planted seed and he's watched his plants grow. And it's been that way with every one of them. But we have a great time, very blessed that my grandkids all live close, and you know, I keep them a lot. I'm just an old country boy at heart and have a good time with my garden and my greenhouse and my grandkids, and life is good.